Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about my project, that is online exam portal or online university exam portal project, which I have developed using Spring Boot and React.js. So the technologies which I have used for the development of the projects are Spring Boot for the backend, and especially in Spring Boot I have used the latest Spring Boot version, that is Spring Boot 3 and Spring Security 6. For the front end I have used React.js, MySQL for the database, Maven for the project and the dependency management, and for the styling purpose I have used Bootstrap 5 version. The softwares which I have used for the development of the projects are STS or Spring Tool Suite for the backend, VS Code for the front end, and I have used MySQL Workbench for the database. User modules present in the project. So the project basically has three modules, that is administrator module, teacher module, and the student module. Now let's see the functional modules of the project. So the very first and the very important functionality is user authentication module, then teacher module, the third module is student module, then grade module, course module, exam module, exam question and answer module, and the last module is exam result module. And now let's see the overview of the project. So as we know, our project contains three modules, that is administrator module, teacher module, and the student module. So firstly, admin will register and log in into the system, and after the login he can add multiple grades into the system. As we know, in any university we have multiple grades. Okay, for example, BTech first year, BTech second year, BTech final year. So after adding the grade, admin can register the teacher and he can assign that teacher to handle this grade. Okay, in the similar way, admin can register multiple teachers to handle one particular grade. Now since teacher is registered into the system, teacher can basically log in into the system and he can add multiple courses in that particular grade. Okay, so as we know, in one grade or standard we have multiple course or subjects, right? So for the demo purpose here I have shown the course Java, Python, and the JavaScript. Okay, so let's suppose this teacher has added three course here. So after adding the course, teacher can register the students in this grade. Okay, let's suppose this student is from this grade, BTech first year. Okay, so in the similar way, teacher can register multiple students in this grade, and after the registration of the students, anytime teacher can basically schedule the exam for any course. Let's suppose teacher wants to schedule an exam for the Java course tomorrow at 11 a.m., then he can schedule the exam by adding the questions and all. And once teacher has added the exam, all the students from this grade will be able to see this exam detail in the upcoming exam section, but they will not be able to see the questions. Only they will know that yeah, for Java we have a exam tomorrow. And now students will log in into the system, and sharp at 11 a.m. tomorrow they will be able to see the exam detail along with the questions, and now they can answer the questions. So they will answer the questions, and after that they will submit the exam, and as soon as they will submit the exam, immediately they will receive exam result mail, whether they have got failed or passed, along with the percentage and the correct answer and the failure answers. Okay, they immediately they will get the mail, and also teachers and admin will be able to see all the students result at the end, and at the end admin will be able to see the complete exam detail from all the grades and from all the courses. Okay, and yes, our project is completely dynamic, and yes, I can say this project can be used by the school or college also for conducting the student exams. So this was the basic overview of the project. We will see the complete things in few minutes, but before that I would like to request you guys to please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and effort for developing such type of projects. Students can use this project for the learning purpose. They can refer this project to create their own project, and also this project is really good for the resume. So hit that subscribe button to motivate me to create more such type of projects for you guys. Now without wasting any time, let's see the complete project in detail, and for that let's go to the other end. So this is our Spring Boot application, backend application, and here we can see the project structure. As I have already mentioned that I have used STS for the development of the backend project, so I have opened this project in the STS, and we can see the project structure here. This is the Maven structure, as I have already mentioned. Okay, and we can see here src main Java, then src main resources. We have our pom.xml file here where I have added all the dependencies, and here we can see all the packages here. Okay, config, controller, and in this project I have added multiple Spring Boot topics such as Spring Security, JWT token, Swagger, Interceptor, Logger, and many more things. Okay, we can see the packages here, and we have created our APIs in the controller package. So let me open exam controller here. Here we can see multiple APIs I have created. In the similar way, in each controller I have created multiple APIs. Okay, we will see those things in the Swagger part. Now after this, let's also see our React application. For that, I will open the VS Code, and here we can see the project structure. Here inside the source folder, you can see I have created multiple components here, that is source component, exam component, then exam question component, exam result component, grade component, user component, multiple components basically I have created here. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's run our project. So firstly I will run the backend application. So for that I'll right click on the project, run as Spring Boot app. Okay, so our application is starting, and we can see the Spring Boot application is starting, and here we can see the version also, that is the latest version, that is 3.2.1. Okay, now let it start. Okay, so we can see here our online exam portal application is running on port 8080. Okay, Tomcat started on port 8080, started online exam portal applications. So as soon as our backend application is running fine, I will open this file swagger config, and here I can see this URL. I'll simply copy this and will open the browser, and I will hit this URL. Okay, where we should be able to see the complete API of the online exam portal application which I have developed. Okay, so we can see here user controller. Firstly, let's see how many controllers I have created. Okay, total 7 controllers I have created, controller class. Okay, and inside user controller we can see multiple APIs I have created here. Okay, all the CRUD operations are there. Grade controller, course controller, student answer controller, exam question controller, exam controller, exam result controller. So here we can see I have created multiple APIs here. I think more than 30 APIs I have created here. Okay, so now let's also run our React application, and for that I'll hit the command npm start. Now let our React application also start. Okay, so our React JS application is also running fine, and we can see the output here in the browser. So this is the landing page of our application, that is online exam portal, and here in the navigation bar we have got one option called login user. So from here admin, teacher or student can log in. Okay, so firstly I will log in with admin. Okay, so yeah, but the question here is, till now, like I have just executed the project. Okay, but till now I have not registered any admin, so how can I log in with the admin user? And we are not getting the option to register any user also. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. As soon as we run our backend application for the very first time, it automatically creates one admin with the username demo admin. Okay, so that admin can basically log in into the application for the very first time. Okay, so I will log in with the same email ID only, and I will give the credential also, demo admin, enter the correct password. I will log in. Logged in successful. And as soon as we log in with the admin, here we can see in the navigation bar we have got multiple options: add grade, view grade, add course, view courses. Okay, and multiple things are present basically in the navigation bar. Okay, so firstly let's see add grade. Okay, so from here admin can add the grade. Okay, for example, be first year, second year, third year, final year. Okay, so let me add btech final year. Okay, btech final year, or let me write here fourth year, and here in the description fourth year, and here I can write final year. Add grade. Grade added successful, and now I can see view grades. Okay, so after clicking on these view grades, I can see the multiple options here. Okay, so already I had added few grades. Okay, as we can see here, B first year, then second year, third year. So that's why I have added B fourth year, that is the final year. Okay, and from here he can update the grade also. So let me make this B Tech final year. Okay, and the similar thing this also. Okay, update grade, grade updated successful, and we can see B Tech final year. And from here we can also delete the grade. Okay, so let me delete this third year. Delete. And here we have got option called courses also. So by clicking on this courses button, we will be able to see all the courses which is present inside this grade. Okay, so as we know, we have just added this grade, so there will be no courses here. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can see there is no grades here, it's empty. But if I see for the BE first year courses, then in that course, in that grade we have multiple courses, that is physics 1, max, then chemistry 1. Okay, so in the similar way we can add the course for this grade also, and for adding that I have to click on add course. So I'll add here, let's add Java only, Java, and here also Java, and we have to select the grade here. Okay, so here we are not able to see the BE third year because I have deleted that. Okay, I'll click on the BTech final year. Okay, because I want to add this course in the BTech final year. Add course, course added successful, and if I click on the view courses, here I can see this physics 1, max 1, and chemistry 1 is from the grade first year, and this Java is from the BTech final year. Also, if I go to the view grades, and for the BTech final year, if I want to see the grades, courses, I click here and I can see the course as Java. Okay, so now let's register the teacher. So till now we have added the grade, and in that grade we have also added the course, right? So let's register the teacher. Okay, so let me add the teacher name as teacher 10. Okay, or we can also add code with Murad. Grade BTech final year, because I'm registering this teacher to handle the grade BTech final year, and code with, so here I'll enter my email ID, password, admin will set the password, contact number I will enter here, street, city, and the pin code. So the details which I'm entering here all are dummy. Okay, so register user, user registered successful, and now after registering the teacher I can see this teacher. Okay, because I'm admin, I'll click on the view teachers, and we can see this code with Murad teacher got added here. Okay, and from here he can also delete any teacher. So let me delete one teacher, that is teacher 4. Let me delete this. I'll click on the delete button, and user deleted successful, and we can see here it got disappeared from here. In the similar way, admin can view all the students who are registered into the system, and this student is registered by the teacher. Okay, and all the students are from the BE first year only. Okay, we will add the students for the BTech final year also. Okay, we'll see this thing in few minutes. Okay, now the next option is all exams. Okay, this is very important. Admin can view the complete detail about all the exam from all the grades and from all the courses. Okay, because he is admin. So these are the exams which was scheduled by me earlier. Okay, as a teacher, and here all we can see So basically we will be able to see the teacher name also who has added this exam. Okay, so we can see this teacher has scheduled the exam max 1. The course is max 1. For the course max 1 he has added the exam, I mean scheduled the exam, and the exam schedule timing we can see here. And also, since I am admin, I can view all the questions added by the teacher. Okay, so I can click on the view questions button to view all the questions which is added by this teacher, okay, for this exam. Okay, I'll click on the view questions, and here admin can see the complete detail about the questions which is added by the teacher along with the correct answer. Okay, so in this exam total 5 questions is added. Okay, I'll click on the all exams again. Yeah, multiple exams are there here. If I click on the chemistry one, view questions, there are 5 questions here also. Okay, and we can see the detail like marks also. Okay, this question is for the marks 7 marks, then 5 marks. Okay, so yeah, then next option is exam results. So here admin will be able to see all the students exams from all the courses, from all the grades. Okay, along with the result status, that is pass or fail. Okay, so let's see the result for this exam. Okay, for the student Murad Ali. Okay, we can see Murad Ali has attempted 3 exams, that is max 1, physics 1 unit 2, chemistry 1 unit 1. Okay, so firstly let's see for the result pass. For the first one, I'll click on the view result, and admin can see here this about the exam detail. Okay, exam name was max 1, exam timing was this one, we can see the timing here. Okay, the grade we can see, the course we can see, first name we can see here, student last name, then total questions we can see there are total 5 questions here. Okay, total marks was 30. Okay, if we add the total marks it will be 30. Then total correct answer is 4 and total wrong answers is 1. Score is 20 out of 30 and the percentage is 66.67 and the result is pass. And admin can also see the all the questions, okay, with the correct answer and the answer which is attempted by the student. Okay, so we can see here this answer is correct, this answer is also correct, this answer is also correct, but the fourth one is wrong. Okay, because the correct answer was 26 units and the student answer is 40 units. Okay, so that's why here we can see this is also correct, so that's why we can see the total correct answer is 4 and 1 is wrong, this one. Okay, yeah, and also let's see for the fail result also. Here we can see it's fail and percentage is 25.93. Okay, I have set the threshold minimum percent as 35%, okay, out of 100. So yeah, this is failed. Here also we can see the complete detail. Okay, here the total correct answer is only 1. Okay, and one more thing, if admin wants to see the detail about the student, he can simply click on this first name. Okay, and he will be able to see the student profile. Here we can see the role is student, his first name, last name, email id, then contact number, address. Okay, and grade also we can see, admin can see basically. Okay, so this all functionalities I have added in the admin side. Now I will log out as an admin. So now I will log in with the teacher. We know admin has registered one teacher called Code with Murad. So I'll log in with the same credential now. Okay, enter the correct credential, login, logged in successful. And as soon as I log in with the teacher, we can see we have got multiple options in the navigation bar. The very first thing is my profile. Teacher can click on my profile to view his or her profile. Okay, the role is teacher here. Okay, and first name is Code with Murad, contact, address, grade, his email id, complete thing he can see in the my profile section. The next option is he can view all the courses which is present in the grade final year. Okay, we can see. So we know this teacher is handling all the students from the grade BTech final year. If I click on the view course, only one course is added by the admin in this grade. So let's register few students in this grade. So firstly, let's see view students. So as we know, this is fresh grade. We have just added this grade now, and there is no students because just now teacher is also got registered. So now after the teacher login, let's add the students. Okay, definitely it will be empty now. So let's register the student. So I'll enter the detail now. Okay, student 10. I'm entering the dummy data here, but here I have to enter the correct email ID because after the submission of exam we will get the mail. Okay, so we cannot enter the wrong email ID. So I will enter my email ID here. Enter the password, contact number, demo, city, pin code, register the student. User with this email ID already exists. Okay, no issues. So I'll register with the new email ID, student 10. I will enter my another email ID. Register user now. Okay, user registered successful, and now I can click on the view students to see all the students which is registered by him. So this student 10 is added by this teacher, that is code with Murad teacher, and from here we can delete the students also from the grade. So the next option is add exam, which is very important. Okay, so Java, I'll keep the exam name as Java unit 1. Okay, I'm scheduling the exam now basically. Okay, so I'm keeping the exam name as Java unit 1, and for course Java we are adding this. Now after that I'll select the exam start time and the end time. Here this start time and end time plays very important role. Okay, because we are scheduling the exam. Okay, now it's 9:35, so I'll select 9:37 to 10. This timing is very important here. Okay, because at that time only student will be able to see the scheduled exam. Okay, this is the unit 1 which I'm keeping just now. Okay, after 2-3 minutes. Okay, so now it's 9:35. I have kept the exam on 9:37. Okay, so now I'll add the exam added successful, and here I can see I have added the exam. Okay, but till now we have not added any questions in this exam. Okay, so yeah, and one more thing, if I see here previous exam or upcoming exams, so teacher can see the exam, this exam detail here. Okay, in the upcoming exam section, along with the that he can also delete the exam from here. Okay, we will see this thing. Okay, in few minutes. Okay, and he can also see all the questions added by him. Okay, but we know we have just now added the exam and we have not added any question in it. Okay, so what is Java programming language? I'm adding anything here. Okay, programming language, here I can enter anything. I'm entering any option here. Okay, because I don't want to waste the time. Option 1 is the correct answer. Select this, and let's keep this marks, the marks as 10 marks for this add question. And here we can see exam question added successful, and we can see the detail here also, like what is Java for 10 marks, and programming language this. Okay, multiple options we can see. Along with that we can also see the programming language correct answer basically. We can add the second answer also. What is your name? I am entering any name, any question here. Okay, you can add the correct questions. Okay, Murad, then again I'll enter the option 2 as Murad, which I'll set the answer, correct answer. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer, Murad. Okay, for 5 marks, add question added successful, and what is your name, and we can see here the options along with the correct answer. For this, option 2 is the correct answer, that is Murad, and for this programming language. Okay, if I go to the upcoming exams, now it is empty because now it's 9:38 p.m. so it will be visible in the previous exams. Okay, and we can see here added by this exam is scheduled by the teacher, code with Murad, added time is this one, and exam schedule timing is this one, that is 9:30 p.m. 37 to 10 p.m. Okay, for the course Java, the exam name is Java Unit 1. Okay, so complete detail we can see here. Again, I can click on the view questions to view the complete detail, and from here we can also add the questions from here. Okay, now I will uh, log out as a teacher, and I will log in with the student. So I'll use the correct email ID to register, sorry, login. So I have registered with the same student which teacher has registered earlier. Okay, in the grade BTech final year. Okay, student can also see his profile, role is student, student 10, his email ID we can see here, from the grade BTech final year. Okay, complete detail he can see in the my profile part. The next option is ongoing exam. So in the ongoing exam he can see like Java Unit 1 exam is going on now. Okay, he can see the exam timing here. Okay, that is 9:37 to 10 p.m. and here he has got one option called start exam. So by clicking on this he can start the exam. Okay, also let's see the previous exams. So from here he can see the all the previous exams which is attempted by him. Okay, so that's why it is visible here, because now it's 9:30, now it's 9:40 and it's 9:37. That's why he's also able to see the exam in the previous exam section. And here, if any upcoming exams are there, then this detail will be visible in the upcoming section, as we have seen in the teacher module. Okay, so he can also view the exam result from here. Okay, but yeah, definitely we have just now registered the student and the student has not attempted any exam, so that definitely that will be empty only. So I'll start the exam now, because I can see this exam is going on, so that's why it is visible on the ongoing exams section. So I'll click on the start exam button now, and here I can see the exam detail. Okay, the exam name is this one. Okay, Java Unit 1 from the grade BTech final year, and the course is Java. Okay, and we can also see the timer here. The time remaining is 17 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, now since we have only two questions, I'll attempt it. We know for what is Java, it is programming language. These are wrong, and for this I have set the correct password, sorry, option as second, so I'll select the fourth one. Okay, and I will submit the exam now. Okay, submit exam, and here we can see congratulations, you have passed the exam, well done. Yeah, and also I should receive one mail also regarding this exam result. Okay, so now if I click on the ongoing exams, we can see action as submitted. Previously we were getting the option called start exam. Okay, and in the previous exams again I will be able to see the same thing here. Upcoming exams, there is no upcoming exams. I'll add one more exam to see this also. Okay, the next option is exam results. This is very important because just now we have you know, submitted the exam and we can see we have passed the exam. Okay, the timing was 9:37 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, yeah, the result is passed. I can click on the view result here, and yeah, we can see the complete detail about the exam here. Okay, the result is passed, the percentage is 66.67, that there is one correct answer, that is programming language, and the correct answer was Murad for the second question, but I had selected the wrong answer, right? So this is the correct and this is the wrong answer. And we can see here total question added by me was 2, and total marks was 10 plus 5 plus so that is 15. Okay, the total correct answer given by the student is 1 and wrong is 1, and total score is 10. Okay, because I have given the correct answer for this, for the 10 marks. Okay, the result is passed now. Yeah, and I should receive one mail also, correct? So let me open that. Okay, so examination result mail I have got here. We can see 2 minutes ago I have received this email. Okay, the subject is BTech final year, the course is Java, the exam name is Java Unit 1 examination result. Okay, so this is the subject, and we can see I have got this mail, and we can see here the content. Okay, congratulations, you have passed the exam, well done. And exam detail we can see here: BTech final year, course Java, exam name was Java Unit 1, exam result is, there were two questions, one is correct and one is wrong, which is given by the student, and the total score is 10 out of 15, and the percentage is 66.67, and the result is pass. Okay, so we can see the same thing here also, 66.67, and the result is pass. So now I will log out as a student and I will log in with the teacher. Okay, to see the result there also. So I'll log in with the code with Murad, that teacher only. Definitely we can register multiple students, teachers. Okay, I'm just showing by adding only one or two users only for the demo purpose. Okay, login, logged in successful, and here I'll click on the student results, and here I can see student 10 is attempted the exam, and the result is pass. So I'll click on the view results, and the result is pass. The same result we can see here also. Teacher can also see the correct answer and the student answer here. Okay, one is correct and one is wrong, and previous exam he can see here, but upcoming exam he cannot see any exams here because he has not scheduled any exams till now, right? So now let me add one exam. Okay, MySQL exam name, MySQL data, MySQL unit 1, select the course Java only. Okay, so that means I have to add the Java only, Java exam only, Java unit 1, sorry 2. Previously we had scheduled for the Java unit 1, so now it's Java unit 2. I'll schedule tomorrow. Okay, I'm scheduling it for the tomorrow. I'll add the exam added successful. Okay, let me add here again, let me add what is Java. I can add anything here. For the fourth one I'll add programming language. Okay, yeah, fourth one is correct answer. For question marks 5, add question, exam added successful. And now here if I click on the view exams, I'll not be able to see the Java unit 2 here. Okay, but if I click on the upcoming exams, okay, teacher will be able to see the exam detail along with the questions. Okay, yeah, in the upcoming sections we can see the exam scheduling time, added time. Okay, code with Murad has added this exam. Okay, so now from here we can delete also, but before that I will log out with the teacher, and I will log in with the student, same student I'll log in with. Okay, now if I click on the ongoing exam, yeah, definitely we will be able to see the unit 1, because the timing is 9:37 to 10 p.m. Now it's 9:50 p.m. Definitely in the ongoing exam part we will be able to see this, but since I have submitted the exam, so that's why we are able to see this message as submitted. Okay, in the previous exam I'll not be able to see the Java unit 2. Okay, but if I click on the upcoming exam, okay, if students click on the upcoming exam, he will be able to see that yeah, Java unit 2 exam we have on this date on this timing. Okay, but student cannot see the questions here. Okay, they cannot view the questions which is added by the teacher. Only teacher can view the questions. Okay, and students will be able to see the questions also, but at that time only. Okay, and here also we are not getting the option to start the exam option. In the ongoing exam, student gets the option to start the exam. So I hope you guys liked each and every functionalities which I have added in this project. Students can use this project for the learning purpose. They can use this project to create their own project, and also this project is really good for the resume. So I would like to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and effort. And also I hope you guys liked the video too. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.